So while Flavour was killing it at the Uprising Festival, RudeBoy was also killing it at the Malaga Festival in Malaga, Spain. It was awesome, and trust me, it was all sold out, both from Flavour and RudeBoy. They all gave massive performance. And you'll be wondering, how would RudeBoy perform all their hit songs alone? Well, he did it very well, and trust me, the crowd were so wow. A lot of you will be saying, let these two come back. Well, if they will have peace staying separate, I think it is better like that. Enjoy the highlights. Don't forget to subscribe.
And it's a beautiful night to remember. And she do simple, she do one for why I don't want to sound. And that might be my if your window is bright here, and it enter your house here, make you use your net here. Baba God go handle the rest here. Na collabo, yeah. She wants to collabo. I will sing for you, you will sing for me. Yeah. She said she wants some collabo. She need them badly, be like tornado. But before we walk there, I just want to let you know that you're the one. Now you've been a fighting thing I've seen, you're the one. chop my money, cause I don't care, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care, cause I get up plenty.